Trying to decide between Claude AI and ChatGPT. Both are powerful AI assistants, but they offer different features, strengths, and workflows depending on how you plan to use them. In this tutorial, I'll compare Claude AI and ChatGPT in 2026 to help you understand their key differences. So let's get started. First, take a look at the interface of each platform. Both offer a clean chat experience, but their layouts, navigation, and organization tools are slightly different. Both platforms are designed to make starting conversations quick and simple. Next, compare their main features. Both assistants can answer questions, write content, summarize documents, analyze files, generate ideas, help with coding, and support many everyday tasks. Each platform also includes unique features that may be available depending on your account or subscription. Enter the same prompt into both Claude AI and ChatGPT, then compare the responses. Look at the clarity, level of detail, organization, and overall usefulness of each answer. Testing the same prompt is one of the best ways to understand how the assistants respond differently. Try common tasks like writing emails, summarizing PDFs, brainstorming ideas, analyzing documents, or generating code. Compare which workflow feels more comfortable for the type of work you do most often. Take a moment to explore the tools each platform offers for your specific needs. Compare the available subscription plans, usage limits, and premium features. The best choice depends on your budget and the features you use most frequently. Free and paid plans may offer different capabilities on each platform. After testing both platforms, choose the assistant that best matches your workflow, productivity needs, and preferred features. Many people even use both tools together for different tasks. So you've successfully compared Claude AI and ChatGPT, and that's how to compare Claude AI and ChatGPT. Both are capable AI assistants that can help with writing, coding, research, document analysis, and many other tasks. The best choice depends on your goals, preferred workflow, and the features that matter most to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.